Do you ever wonder if selling digital products really works? Let me show you that I've sold almost 900 peso from a digital product, guys. To you, it might be a little, but for me, it's a huge milestone because come to think of it, guys, I only created the digital product one time, but I am continuously selling it without the monitoring, without the hassle of, packing, checking with the suppliers or the shipment, the fulfillment part, guys, because, it's digital. Everything is in digital. So imagine, I'm earning that extra. I was able to do that na parang isang beses ko lang ginawa. And again, I'm selling it continuously. So, kung naku-curious ka on how I did this, then keep on watching. Hi, my name is Val. I am a mom entrepreneur and I work full-time at the same time having a side business. In my channel, I do share here negosyo tips and creative ways on how to do business. So, if you're interested in those kind of topics, please go ahead and subscribe now and be part of our community. Now, on this video, you will learn what kind of product I sell so you can get an idea on what kind of product you can also sell. And second is why I decided to sell digital product so you can also think if your digital product can also be sold. And the last one will be how I was able to sell it and what kind of system I am using to sell my digital product. Now, ano nga bang klaseng digital product yung ginamit ko or ano bang klaseng digital product ang binibenta ko? Now, to tell you guys, the kind of digital product that I sell is a cash flow management. It is intended for small business owners who are struggling to manage the cash flow or the in and out of their money. And as what I've always say in my previous videos about managing your business, cash flow is the key. Now, you cannot make your business successful if hindi ka marunong maghawak ng pera ng negosyo mo. And you need to have a tracker for that para maging successful yung pagka-cash flow management mo. And that's what I was selling. How it actually started is when I was having my own physical shop, I was actually struggling to manage my in and out of the money kasi nga may daily sales. And meron din supplier day. Now, I did try to search multiple apps. I did try to search any videos related to that on how I could do it, but wala talaga akong makita. So I decided, let me create one that will actually work for me. And that's how my cash flow management tracker started. Now, why I decided to sell it? So I decided to sell it because I was thinking that it actually solved my problem about money management, the cash flow management of my business. And I know that there are also some small business owners there that is looking for specific product that will help them manage also with their money in the business. So that's why, okay, gumagana siya for me. Why not let me introduce this and see if meron ba talagang bibili? So what I did, guys, is I was like introducing the product to the videos that I'm creating. So, yung ginawa ko, pinapakita ko siya on how I was able to solve my problem. Hindi ko pa siya agad-agad binanta. So, I showed them a sneak peek on how does this products does to you as a business owner, as a small business owner. Nag-collect ako ng data. So, I said that if you are interested with this product, you can list yourself in the email list. So, parang magpalista ka, then I'll send it to you. Kung magpapalista ka ngayon na gusto mong mag-order, you will get a discount. So, nag-create ako ng introductory price. It was for 199 and I was selling it in a pre-order for 150. I started that list or the introductory video around October. And yung mga nagpalista by the end of the December, mga 10. So, to you, it might not be that much. 10 lang, then that's when you decided na magbenta. Pero, to think, guys, 150 times 10 people. So, that's extra 1.5. Sino ba naman ako para umayaw sa 1.5? 1.5 is a huge money for me because I'm only selling a digital product na hindi ako magpapalabas ng kapital. That's a zero investment for me. Yung in-invest ko lang is yung time ko para gumawa ng product na to. Yung utak ko para mag-conceptualize ng mga formula sa tracker na yon. And also, yung bibig ko para i-introduce yung product. That's it. Wala akong perang nilabas. In return, meron na akong 1.5 at the end of the December. So that's when I decided na, sige, I will go and sell it to these people. And when I was selling it starting on the December. By the next year at saka in the middle, meron pa rin namang gustong bumili. Meron pa rin nag-order, nag-PPM. Kasi when I was doing that, it was too manual. Yung ginagawa ko, sige, mag-send ka, mag-DM ka sa Facebook account ko, and once nag-send ka ng screenshot na nakabayad ka na, I'll send you the file through your email. So, ganun ko siya ginagawa. That's how I was able to sell it. I know the process is very manual. That's when I decided na parang mag-research ako saan ko ba talaga pwedeng ibenta yung product na to na automate na siya. That's when I search or I was able to find Raket.ph, where I will be creating an account, upload the file, create the product, and blah blah blah. Then there's a specific link that will be generated for me. Yung link na yun yung ilalagay ko sa mga videos about the cash flow tracker, sa product na binabenta ko, at yung mga viewers ko or yung mga gustong mag-avail, click lang nila yung link and they will be redirected to my Raket.ph cash flow management product website para mag-order. And ang nakaganda kasi, cashless siya, meaning they can do the transaction or the payment via GCash or via email. And when they do that and nasettle na yung payment, automatic si Raket.ph na mismo yung magsasend ng file sa mga taong bumili or nagbayad na nito. So nag-cut yung system ko na manual work, and I was actually lucky na introduce sa akin yung Raket.ph kasi I never thought that someone will be creating this kind of website in the Filipino, kasi yung mga ganyang klaseng website, guys, mga pang international. And when I say international, alam nyo na, international din yung rate, diba? So happy ako na na-introduce sa akin or nakilala ko si Raket.ph, and automate na yung lahat. So all I have to do is just keep the word of mouth that I still have the cash flow tracker ongoing, and all they have to do is just click the link and they will be able to pay it via any payment method na available ni Raket.ph. Send the files and boom, you have already my product. I was able to sell my digital product. So you see, I have the list here. Ilalagay ko dito yung screenshot na successful yung pagbili nila ng product na to. It actually made my life easy with this kind of mga sistema, guys, or mga creator of any idea na nagsasolve ng problem. So now, going back with the digital product selling, is it working? Yes, I can guarantee that it is selling. It's just that you have to identify if your product is solving a problem. That's one. Second is that even though it's common, the question there is, how can you sell it? Like, ano yung mga marketing technique ninyo para mo-voice out or malaman ng mga tao that you're having this kind of digital product. So it's about how you will market your product, guys. I know someone na meron siyang binibenta sa Raket.ph, but the problem is that creator only introduced the product through Facebook, through her Facebook account. Yun lang, personal Facebook accounts, not an even business account. So yung problema, parang you're limiting your niche, and that's it. Wala ka nang ginagawa to promote that product. So wala siyang benta, to be honest. Unlike me, na meron akong ginagawa para ma-promote yung product by creating the video, showing to people how does this product what does this product do to their lives as a small business owners. So yeah, I will cover more of that because I will be creating a playlist of continuous of introducing what is a digital product. And if you are interested in this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell para every time I will be creating a new video about digital products, you will get notified. So yeah, our next video guys, or our next video that is related to the digital product is the beginner guide on selling your digital product in Raket.ph. So I do hope that you are interested on that video, and I do hope na nagustuhan nyo ang video na to by clicking the like, and share this to anyone or for your friends or family that is in need of this kind of content. So yeah, that's it. I do hope we will see on our next video guys. Bye.